What is going on? Ted with Grub and Gravel. Now listen, over the years, I have reviewed most, if not all, of Naturehike's camping chairs. Now a lot of them have been a smaller, little 2-pound backpacking, more for portability than for comfort. A lot of you watched those videos and liked them, but we're a little more interested in something a little more comfortable. Well, Naturehike has answered our call for a little larger chair, a little more comfort. Granted, like I said, less portability. All right, so let's take a look at what we have in the bag. As per usual, real nice nylon ripstoppy kind of a bag, full length, drawstrings on it, cut in the side, pretty standard so far along those lines. But what you do is just pull that top out easily, grab a hold of it, and this whole entire bag comes right off like that. And pretty much this chair, like I've talked about Naturehike, smaller chairs, they practically want to put themselves together. And this one definitely is the meaning of that, because simple to put this chair up is flip it down, open it up, come around the front of it, and have a seat. Now, sitting in this chair is, like I said, a lot more comfortable than some of those. This is a full 24.5 inches width for this seating position. And then if you notice right here, what they did was they bent these arms that come out of this seat right here, just to give you a little bit more, width on it for your waistline, your stomach, what have you, things like that. And what that results in is a really stable, extremely comfortable chair. All right, so now up from the command center, pretty simple, basic, classic design. There's going to be a cup holder on this side. And then on this side, you're going to get a little compartment to keep goods in. It's got a little double zipper with a plastic handle on it. This whole top flap open. It's got a little bit of Velcro on it, so you can keep it shut without having to fully zip it and unzip it every single time. But the thing about this one is inside of this is kind of a foam lining and one of these metallic plastic waterproof inserts. So what this is going to be is actually a cooler. So now if you just had your regular drink cold and you set it inside of here, just the dynamics of being inside this little plastic bag is probably going to add, some time to the coldness of your drink. But like I said, waterproof. You could throw a little bit of ice in here. You could throw an ice pack in here, and you could put yourself several drinks in here. Fold this back up, walk it down to maybe your fishing spot, set it all out. Bob's your uncle. You got cold drinks, till you catch one. All right, so on the back, also another compartment. You get back to camp, you want to throw your keys, your phone and stuff like that in here, something that's out of the way. It's not getting in your way while you're sitting necessarily. But a good solid place, mesh, whatnot, to store any of your goods. Like I mentioned, 24.5 inches wide, so there's plenty of room for a bigger guy to sit on there. So what they've done to back that up is this chair is good for 450 pounds. All right, so they've achieved that weight rating by using a little bit of powder-coated steel to make the frame out of. Everything's all triangled up, for reinforcement. Nice solid plastic legs. Another thing on this chair is a lot of stuff is screwed in. So if for any reason a lot of these little plastic bits, some of this stuff up here, should happen to have an issue, you could get it replaced. You can screw it on there easily. Now before, I've gotten a chair like this from a professional fishing big box store. And one of the first things it did was it ripped the seams out of right in here. Like I said, I'm not a huge dude, pushing 220-ish. The chair I bought was designed for a bigger cat, but not very well. Like I said, the seams came out right here. A lot of places on these handles poked through. The difference on this one is when they did this extra accent stripe in here, this is kind of acting as a little double stitching, and instead of just being barely stitched together, they made a nice flush unit, because this chair has actually, I'd say probably 1/4 inch of like a sponge foam padding, comfort padding that's inside of here. Now, the whole thing is cloaked 600D nylon, polyester, probably something along those lines. All right, so the beauty of buying this chair from Naturehike is the fact that it is a 2-pack. So you're going to be able to knock out with just one purchase. You, your buddy, you need 2 chairs, you and your wife, your girlfriend, what have you, will both have extremely comfortable places to sit down. You can tell by the stains on it. I've been using this one a little bit already. Like I said, extremely comfortable. No issues with my old back. Nothing really cutting me off here at the bottom. No leg numbness, anything like that. All right, one of the things I like to do with these chairs is kind of a little bit of a torture test. Now, it's probably not going to be fair. This one should pass easily. Like I said, 450 pounds, steel frame construction, things like that. So it shouldn't be an issue. But generally I just throw myself in the chair a few times, hop around on it, see if there's any, I'm going to fall off this edge over here. See if there's any weaknesses in how anything is put together. Rock her around. Take a couple of nice drops in it. It's going to be real hard to get this to bend at all, to pull away. Right around here, the stitching on the chair has got a big rubber paddle that's stitched in, so it's going to give you extra reinforcement around here. All these little edges right here are all double reinforced stitching. It's like its little own pocket, but then it's got this extra bead that runs around the edge of it that protects everything. Same thing with the corners, a little bump in there, lots of extra stitching around the side. Make it extremely comfortable. Like I said, I've been using this chair here already, and except for the little bit of extra room it took up in the bed of my truck, extremely happy with this Naturehike chair so far. What I'm going to do is I am going to leave a link to this set of chairs, my best price on Amazon, in the description. Check these out. See if the price is right for you. If you're in the market for something a little more sturdy, camper friendly, things like that. These would be great for RVs. Van life is still an option. Back of my truck. Just maybe use it in your backyard when you're not sure you're going to want them out. Deploy them when you got company over. Put them back together. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy.